Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about what is cryptocurrency. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest update. Every country has its own currency, such as US has its currency dollar, Russia has its currency Russian ruble, such that cryptocurrency is also a currency. Dollar, euro, pounds, etc. can be touched and used whenever it is necessary, but cryptocurrency cannot be touched, but it can be used whenever it is necessary. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange. It typically doesn't exist in physical form and it is typically not issued by central authority. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. I know you have heard Bitcoin many times. Bitcoin is also a type of cryptocurrency, so don't get confused. Cryptocurrency is also called virtual currency because, as I said, that you cannot touch it but you can use it. It is an independent currency. No any country or organization control the currency. You can also use cryptocurrency to buy goods or services online. The first cryptocurrency was established in 2009 and it was Bitcoin. And now there are more than 1,000 cryptocurrencies available in the market. Apart from Bitcoin, some famous cryptocurrencies are Coin, Monero, Redcoin, etc. Now let's talk about advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrency. There are many advantages of cryptocurrency. It is completely safe. It is digital currency, so the chances of frauds are very less. Online shopping and transactions can be easily done using cryptocurrency wallet. Cryptocurrency is not controlled by any authority, so there is no currency price decrease. Cryptocurrency can easily be bought and sent out of the country and can also be converted into money. The price of cryptocurrency rapidly increases, so investing in it can prove beneficial if there is more money. Besides its advantages, there are some pitfalls of cryptocurrency. In many countries, cryptocurrency is not recognized and is kept in gray zone. In such country, neither the currency is banned nor recognized. In such a situation, how beneficial or harmful it can be for a person to buy and use the cryptocurrency, it depends upon that person's country. Dear viewers, I hope that you know some basic information about cryptocurrency. Thank you for your attention. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you want to share this video, then please share this video. Thank you.